I am Professor Jayappa, Chairman of the department. Our department name is Marine Geology. Marine Geology course started under Mysore University in 1978 itself, when it was a PG center of Mysore University, and later it has become independent university in 1980. So since then we are running Marine Geology course, and in 2000 we started another new course, that is Geoinformatics, wherein we teach mainly remote sensing and GIS subjects. And for that course we take 32 candidates. Intake is 32. For Marine Geology their intake is 23, and this is a very unique course in the country. Only 2 universities are offering this Marine Geology course right now. The another university is Cochin University of Science and Technology, where Marine Geology course is taught. So in that way it is very unique, and in nowadays a lot of scope is there for our students, and our alumni are placed very well in institutes like NIO Goa, NGR Hyderabad, ONGC, GSI, Geological Survey of India, Mines and Geology, and in number of universities they are working as a teaching faculty, and also some of them have joined research institutes outside the country, for example in Mexico, in Canada, in Australia, and in Middle East countries. So they are working as scientists and research staff. So in that way it is very unique course, and we deal with mainly the natural resources. Whatever natural resource you mention, everything will come under our course, whether it may be mineral resources, rocks, soil, or oil and gas, water resources, like that. Whatever you mention, natural resource, most of the natural resources come under our subject. So we teach marine resources as well as earth resources, that is continental resources. In addition to that, we teach oceanography as another, especially we teach for marine geology students oceanography in second year, wherein we teach physical oceanography, chemical oceanography, biological oceanography, and geological oceanography. So oceanography is another branch we have included in our syllabus, and atmospheric science, meteorology part is also taught in our course for second year students. So that way we teach basic subjects in first year, and applied aspects like oceanography, atmospheric science, meteorology in the second year. So in that way our students are they are capable of taking the examinations like UGC NET, CSIR examination, and they can easily pass these national level examinations. Whereas in geoinformatics course, that is mainly they are learning about remote sensing and their applications, GIS and its applications. So they are well versed in those aspects, and they are mainly employed in companies where software companies and other national and multinational companies they are employed. So most of them are getting job immediately after their courses. So nowadays a lot of demand both for marine geology course as well as geoinformatics course. Coming to the facilities, we have mainly remote sensing GIS labs, geochemistry lab, coastal oceanography lab, and atmospheric science, geochemistry, estuarine chemistry, and oceanography aspects, related aspects we have. And in addition to those, we have a museum where we have very good collections of minerals, rocks, and fossil specimens. So those specimens, fossils, etc., are used for practical purposes. So we teach paleontology practicals, mineralogy, stratigraphy, structural geology, petrology, sedimentology, etc. So the museum is very handy for teaching the practical classes also. We have, in addition to museum, we have remote sensing and GIS lab, both for geoinformatics course as well as marine geology course. And we have, we are 9 members, out of 9, 6 are professors. They are well experienced and have specializations like paleoceanography, paleoclimate, oceanography, petrology, stratigraphy, structural geology, mineralogy, paleontology, etc. So 6 professors are there, 3 assistant professors are there. Totally we are 9 members in the department. So thereby we are running both the courses in a systematic manner, and the students are very happy in the department. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah.